ag-tech company focused on development of AI-based solutions for plant monitoring. All the way from Israel, Valerie.
Hi everyone, my name is Valeria. I'm the CEO and founder of Fermata, and let me tell you how we use computer vision for monitoring the plants. So the motivation behind what we're doing is the fact that despite all the automation in agricultural industry, still all the monitoring of plants is being done completely manually, which is not very efficient, pretty expensive, and sometimes people tend to react late to things. And what we develop at Fermata we call the eyes of ag. So our goal is to make the monitoring of plants faster, cheaper, and more efficient than it is right now. So we do that through the monitoring of plants using just standard RGB cameras. This can be either cameras in the greenhouses or cameras in the fields, on the tractors and robots. So we use all the stream of photo and video data to identify monitoring parameters, which are pests and diseases, problems with nutrition, and other parameters available from this data. And we provide all this valuable information not only to the farmers, but also to the companies that might benefit from the knowledge of what does the plant need right now. So our product is an AI-based software toolkit for precise plant monitoring. You can see our app here on the slide. So basically you're able to see in real time your plants with the highlights of the issues we are detecting. And you can see also some examples of our detection capabilities that are like a broad range from tiniest pests to changes of fruits shape in strawberries here. So our business model is basically SaaS, so we charge our customers a subscription based on how many hectares we cover and what kind of features we provide to them. So our technology has API access, it's hardware agnostic, we can use whatever hardware is capable of detecting these tiniest things, and we have modular service availability for our product. Our customers are located in US, Canada, Europe, and Israel. And you can see here our happy customer. His name is Jeff. He is from Arizona. And on top of him, you might see the camera that captures his plants images twice a day to identify pests and diseases. And together with Jeff and the other customers of ours, we showed that we are able to reduce the scouting time by half, reduce the amount of chemicals that farmers apply by quarter, and by third, reduce the crop losses associated with pests and diseases. And we work not only with the farmers, but also with the leaders in the industry who can benefit from this kind of knowledge that we are creating. So our team is headquartered in Tel Aviv with several people in Europe and US as well. And we are actively looking for the customers and integration partners that might be interested in our technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now I saw the A at the end. I thought I couldn't screw up this name, Valerie. But I saw the A at the end. Any questions? Jorien, do you have something to add which you heard this morning?
Yeah.
Because it was about AI this morning, but together with the investors and corporates.
So one of the big challenges in AI is, of course, how are we going to protect this data? So how do you guarantee that the data that you're using for your systems is well protected against retraceability towards your original customers?
Right, that's the conversation we just had with Anne, that in my opinion, the responsibility on the ethical side of these things are 100% on the entrepreneurs and businesses. So our approach is that all the data belongs to the farmers, so we're not trying to play any games here, and whatever they allow us to share with the third parties for their benefit, this is the only thing we share. And we, because of that, because we value that so much, we do a lot of things related to depersonalization of this data, you know, making sure that everything is stored properly. This is a very important part of our work. Thank you for this question.
The final question for this afternoon. Is there an online question now? Then,
what's your biggest challenge at the moment, if any?
Well, the biggest challenge I think for any technology like ours is actually convincing farmers that it's worth investing in this kind of technologies. So we're trying to approach that by finding like early adopters who become really ambassadors of our technology, and we see that it actually works pretty well, and we're trying to create this kind of network effect when all the neighbors together work with our tech in a certain area.
A warm applause for Valeria.
you.
Thank you so much.